Hello students, I am Dr. Rashmi Sharma, Associate Professor SVC GCA अजमेर। आज हम नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज पार्ट 2 के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। Floristic regions of India. Our country has more than 45,000 plant species. हमारे देश में 45,000 से ज़्यादा प्लांट स्पीशीज हैं। वाइडेस्ट रेंज फॉर एनी कंट्री, ये जो है वो किसी भी देश के लिए वाइडेस्ट रेंज है। Richness is due to varied relief landforms, variation in daily and yearly temperature, amount of precipitation. जो ये richness है उसका कारण है तरह तरह के landforms का होना, ईयरली टेम्परेचर में अंतर होना, प्रेसिपिटेशन रेनफॉल में अंतर होना। आवर फ्लोरा रेंज फ्रॉम ट्रॉपिक टू आर्कटिक जोन। फ्लोरा ऑफ कंट्री इज डिवाइडेड इनटू फर्स्ट वेस्टर्न हिमालयाज, सेकंड ईस्टर्न हिमालयाज, थर्ड वेस्टर्न इंडियन डेजर्ट, फोर्थ गंगा प्लेन्स, फिफ्थ असम, सिक्स्थ सेंट्रल इंडिया, सेवेंथ मलाबार, नेक्स्ट डेक्कन एंड नेक्स्ट इज अंडमान। वेस्टर्न हिमालयाज, सेंट्रल कुमाऊं, Northwest Kashmir. Sub-montane to lower region, tropical, subtropical, 1,000 to 5,000 feet above sea level, Sivaliks and adjacent areas. Forests dominated by Shorea robusta. River regions, Dalbergia Siso are the dominant plants. Cedrela tuna, Ficus glomerata, Eugenia jambolana are also dominant. Acacia catechu, Butea monosperma are also present. In dry areas, Sisyphus, Carissa, Acacia, Euphorbia are present. Pinus roxburghi appear from 3,000 to 5,000 feet. Ground vegetation is poor. To temperate or montane zone, it extends from 5,000 to 11,675 feet above sea level. Pinus excelsa, Cedrus deodara are present. Himalayas in Kashmir, the main plants are betula, birch, salix, cane, poplar, Aesculus indica, horse chestnut, it is also known as horse chestnut, Quercus semicarpifolia, Q dilata, Abies spindro, Picea morinda, Cupressus tortuosa, Texas baccata, Rhododendron campanulatum at higher altitudes, Pinus gerardinia, wheat, barley in dry areas, rice in wet areas, saffron, Crocus sativus, apples, peach, walnut and almond are the main trees. Next, alpine zone, 12,000 feet, timber or tree-lined plant, height reduced, dwarf, cushion-shaped shrubs, grass, 15,000 feet above snow line. Plant grow there, rhododendron, Betula utilis, and small juniper plants are present. Eastern Himalayas, Sikkim, up to NEFA, oak, rhododendron, conifers, higher rainfall and warm regions are present, divided into 3 zones. Sub-montane zone, Shorea robusta, up to 6,000 feet altitude, Dalbergia siso, Acacia catechu, Stereospermum, Cedrela tuna, Bohemia, Anthocephalus cadamba, Lagerstremia, Parviflora, Albizia procera, Salmelia, Artocarpus, bamboo, Dendrocalamus, these plants are present. Next is temperate zone, 6,000 to 12,000 feet, oak, Q lamellosa, Q lineata, Michaelia, Cedrela and Eugenia are present. Cooler region, junipers, Cryptomeria, Picea, Abies, Suga, bamboo and Arundinaria are present. Alpine zone, above 12,000 feet, no vegetation, no trees, shrubby junipers and rhododendron are present. West Indian desert, Indus plain are present. Rajasthan, Kutch, Delhi, Gujarat, These have very hot summers and cold winters. यहाँ पर बहुत गर्मी होती है गर्मी के मौसम में और ठंड होती है कोल्ड सीजन में. Rainfall less than 70 centimeter. Xerophytic plants Acacia nilotica, Prosopis spicifera, P. juliflora, Salvadora oleoides, S. persica, Tecomilla undulata, Caparis, Tamarix, Sisyphus, Calotropis are present. Panicum, Antidotale, Eleusine species, Tribulus terrestris, Saccharum, Panicum, Cenchrus, Caparis, Tamarix, Prosopis and Acacia leucophylla and Acacia senegal are present. Ganga Plains, UP, Bihar, Bengal, fertile regions. Temperature and rainfall are responsible for distinct vegetation. Rainfall less than 70 centimeter. West UP more than 150 centimeter in Bengal. Vegetation is chiefly tropical, moist and dry deciduous. Northwest foothills of Himalayas, Dalbergia siso, Acacia nilotica, Caparis, Saccharum, Acacia. East UP Butea monosperma, Dark, Maduka indica, Mahua, Terminalia arjuna, Bauchenia chironji, Diospyros, Cordia sterculina, Boswellia, Acacia catechu, Aza directa indica, Mangifera indica, Ficus bengalensis, Ficus religiosa, Xanthium, Acacia tora, Argemone mexicanum, Amaranthus, Dicanthum are present and extreme swampy and halophytic vegetation are present. Rhizophora, Conjugata, Acanthus, Candelia, Bruguiera, Cereops. Next is Assam region. Heaviest rainfall, Cherrapunji is the place it records heaviest rainfall. Rainfall more than 1000 centimeter. Temperature and wetness are also high. Dense tropical evergreen forests are present. Dipterocarpus, Macrocarpus, Mesua, Michaelia, Choria robusta, Artocarpus, Alstonia scolaris, Circulia elata, Ramia, Ficus elastica are present. Bamboos, Bambusa, Dendrocalamus, Calamus imperata, Saccharum, Themata, Phragmites, Nepenthes, Alnus, Rhododendron, Betula, Pinus insularis are present. Central India, Madhya Pradesh, Odisha and Gujarat, Tectona grandis, Diospyros, Melanoxylon, Butea monosperma, Terminalia tomentosa, Dalbergia latifolia, Quercia, Sisyphus rotundifolia, Acacia leucophylla, Acacia catechu, Butea frondosa. In Malabar region to Cape Comorin in south, vegetation is tropical moist evergreen, mixed deciduous forests subtropical, temperate evergreen, mangrove, Dipterocarpus, Sterculia, Cedrela, Tectona, Dalbergia are present. Bamboos, Dendrocalamus strictus, Bambus arundinacea, Nilgiri, Urea japonica and Michaelia are present. The Deccan, rainfall is 10 cm, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Central Hills, Boswellia serrata, Tectona grandis, Hardwickia pinnata, Coromandel coast, low east dry, Centellum album, Cedrela tuna, Caparis, Phyllanthus, Euphorbia, Andamans, mangroves, beach. Important species are Rhizophora, Mimosaups, Calophyllum, Dipterocarpus, Lager, Streamia, Terminalia, paddy and sugarcane. Thank you.